Hi friends, today we discuss number in English grammar. So there are two types of numbers, singular and plural. Number means singular and plural. What is singular? One. Singular means one. Plural means many. For example, book. It is one. Okay, so book is singular. By adding s, the singular become plural. So book singular, books plural. Boy singular, boys plural. Okay, so singular means one, plural means many. But there are many irregular plurals. Generally, the plurals are formed by adding s to singular, but there are few more exemptions for that. So let us discuss today the irregular plurals. Here singular means one, plural means many. Person singular, people plural. Foot singular, feet plural. Tooth singular, teeth plural. Child singular, children plural. Mouse singular, mice plural. Sheep, okay, again plural also sheep. There is no change in singular and plural. Sheep. Similarly, fish singular and plural also fish. Sheep, okay. Then leaf, leaves. Woman, women. Man, men. Crisis, crisis. Curriculum, curricula. Ox, oxen. Analysis, analysis. Okay, these are few examples of irregular plurals. If you know some more singular and plurals irregular, please comment. Okay, thank you.